Making $200 in a day on DoorDash depends on hitting peak delivery hours, staying inside high-demand zones, and completing a high number of orders without long downtime between deliveries. By the end, you'll understand what actually determines daily earnings, what conditions make a high-earning day possible, and what most drivers do that prevents them from ever reaching higher totals. Start with the basic reality of DoorDash pay. DoorDash earnings come from base pay, customer tips, and occasional peak demand periods. That means your total is not fixed per hour and changes based on demand and order quality. Your location and timing directly control how many opportunities you get. Now look at what makes a $200 day even possible. High-earning days usually require multiple hours during lunch and dinner peaks. Those are the times when order volume is highest and deliveries are more frequent. Without those windows, hitting higher daily totals becomes much harder. Now look at order flow. Drivers earn more when they complete back-to-back deliveries with minimal waiting time. Waiting in low-demand areas reduces total order count even if you stay online longer. That is why positioning near busy restaurant clusters matters. Now look at acceptance behavior. Consistently declining too many orders can reduce how often you get new ones in active periods. The system prioritizes drivers who are more likely to complete available deliveries quickly. That affects how steady your order flow feels during peak times. Now look at stacking orders. Some of the highest earning days happen when drivers complete multiple orders in a short window. That only happens when you are already in high demand zones during busy hours. It is not random and usually depends on timing and positioning. Now here's what most people miss. Most drivers focus on being online instead of being in the right place at the right time. Being active during slow hours does not produce the same volume as being active during peak demand. That gap is what separates average days from high-earning days. Now the simple breakdown. A $200 day is not about one strategy. It comes from combining peak hours, fast turnaround between deliveries, and strong location choices. Missing any one of those usually drops total earnings significantly. Now, the takeaway. High-earning days are built, not luck-based. They depend on working when demand is highest, and staying close to where orders are generated. Efficiency matters more than total time online. Next step, track one full shift and write down exactly when you receive orders, then compare peak hour performance versus slow hour performance to see where your earnings actually come from. Subscribe for more clear breakdowns of delivery apps, gig work strategies, and realistic earning expectations without hype or confusion.